Hello guys, what is up? So today I'll be reviewing a trench lighter. For you guys that don't know, this is what a trench lighter looks like. This has this awful, just awful Chinese branding here. I really hate it, but I didn't realize that this marking would be as pronounced as it actually is. This is brass and stainless steel with what I assume is copper on the bottom, just because it has a little bit of a different oxidation. Um, so, how does this work? Pretty much you have these little things, you push it, and you have this kind of weather protected lighter. So the flame is going to probably, yeah. So I actually just filled it up because I am currently not carrying it, and I will explain why. I saw this kind of lighter on a lot of EDC videos on Instagram, pictures, and like I thought it looked quite cool actually, and I actually have some pictures on my Instagram with it. To be honest, I paid 20 something euros for it, and I was very disappointed. um, this thing is where you change the flint, and it's horrible. I took it off, which was a handful, and to actually mount it back in was even harder. This doesn't leave you any room to do so, even when you kind of lift this up. This is just a very weird position to work with. The other criticism that I have is this not bright, but noticeable Chinese branding here. I'm not sure what they were thinking about, but yeah, it was definitely not on the advertising. This ring, it has some Chinese markings and whatever, but I can replace it by a key ring. It's not really a problem. It does its job. It works well as a lighter, but I would say that for 20 bucks or 25, no, I think I paid 20 for this. You can actually get a Zippo, a second-hand Zippo, or something like this, and that is something that tends to grab my attention way more than this. Even if I feel like this is very unique. The few days that I carried it, I don't smoke, but a lot of my friends do. When they ask me for a lighter, or the typical "does anyone have a lighter here?" and I would show my lighter, they would like be intrigued and wonder it's all about. In the package, which I don't have here unfortunately, it comes with this flint stock. To be honest, I'm not sure what happened. I'm not sure if the flints are lost in here, but as I guess some sort of magic, they disappeared. I'm not sure if they rotated out and fell off. It's kind of weird. I'll just call it a flint mystery, and yeah, be kind of done with it. You can wear it around on your keyring if you want, as well as this. Just going to explain pretty much how you fill it up with gas. You just lighter fluid. I mean, you just pour it in just as a Zippo. You close it up, and you light it as a Zippo, I guess. This is pretty much, for me, this is just a different configuration. Zippo in terms of the way it works. Would I recommend this? No, sadly. I will leave the link in the description for this if you guys don't mind these markings and the fact that it's going to be a pain in the ass to remove this flint. But I'm sure you can have, I mean, you can find some cool trench lighters I guess they come in a bunch of different materials, from stainless in stainless, and brass to brass. I just kind of chose this two different materials because I think it actually looks pretty nice. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my review. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.